eastern sky, a brand new day begins. With gratitude I lift my voice, letting praises in. For every breath and every step, the blessings I can see. My heart's a garden, blooming bright, wild and wonderfully. Oh, we're making a joyful noise. Let the heavens ring with every beat and every chord. To the King we sing, our hands are clapping, spirits soaring, free from every care, joyful noise. A song of love echoing everywhere. Through trials faced and victories won, your steady hand I find. Your grace abounds, a constant stream, refreshing heart and mind. No shadow deep can dim the light, your promise shines so true. In every moment, rich or poor, my trust is set on you. Yeah. We're making a joyful noise. Let the heavens ring with every beat and every chord. To the King we sing, our hands are clapping, spirits soaring, free from every care, joyful noise. A song of love echoing everywhere. From mountain high to valley low, your glory fills the air. A symphony of praise we raise beyond compare.